Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa natin ng review ang collaboration ng Vice Cosmetics and LabANNE. So ito yung kanilang PR kit guys. Ayan, yellow na yellow kasi favorite color ni LabANNE ang yellow. Ito guys yung box, medyo malaki lang siya. Ayan. And when you open, meron card na kasama, and sa likod, andito yung mga shades and prices ng products. Sa collaboration na ito, meron siyang total of 9 products to choose from. And first is the face palette. Meron tayong lip products, gel liners, eyeshadow palette, and another set of lip products. And guys, naka-indicate sa box na lahat ng products na ito ay paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So, if you want to know my thoughts about these products, then just keep on watching. This is the face palette and it comes with 3 different shades, and here are the swatches. The contour shade is Like, blush is Comment, and the highlight shade is Subscribe. Next is the eyeshadow palette. Combination siya ng matte, glitter, and shimmery shades. Here are the swatches, and kung viewer ka talaga ni LabANNE, makaka-relate ka sa mga shade names nito. Next are the gel liners, comes with 2 shades, and ang nagustuhan ko dito ay retractable siya and may sharpener on the other side for a more precise application. The first shade is soft lang brown, and the other one is intense black. Next are the soft matte lipsticks. These are your regular bullet type of lipsticks, and the first shade is ANNE CLUTZ, a toasted brown in color, and ANNE CLUTZ Vlogs in everyday pink. These are the swatches in full color and blended out. Next are the Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipsticks, and based on the product's description, these are ultra soft, cloud-like, and hydrating. This one's Boodle, a burnt chocolate shade, and Bikini Men, a dusty orchid shade. Here are the swatches, also in full color and when blended out. We move on with the lip gloss. This is high shine, non-sticky, and long wearing. So let's do the swatch. And totoo nga na high shine siya kasi nag-glare yung ilaw sa swatch. So since tapos na ako sa base makeup, we proceed with the eyes. I'm grabbing the first shade Lucky Commenter and applied it all over my eyelids. Next is Coffee is Life on my crease area. Then talong emoji and biniblend ko siya on top of the previous shade. And I put some on the inner corners as well. Next is a dark shade which is Plantita. I'm putting it on my outer V para mas defined yung look. Same goes with the inner corners. Once done, get a big blending brush and blend them all together to remove any harsh lines. So I'm dusting off any fallouts and placing the same shades to my lower lash line. Next, I'm using an eyeshadow shader brush to pack the shade Chia Tot on the center of my lids. Then, I am using the gel liner in Intense, and for me, mas gusto ko pa rin yung mga felt tip liquid eyeliners kasi mas precise ang line na nagagawa. Just like when you're doing your wing. Medyo mahirapan ka kung sanay ka sa mga liquid liners. But gel liners are great for tight lining kasi very smooth ang application. As for my waterline, I used the brown gel liner in Soft Lang. And then I added the highlighter from the face palette in the shade Subscribe on the inner tear ducts to brighten up the eyes. Next, we proceed to contouring. So, I'm using this angled contour brush and very pigmented ang powder. A little goes a long way. Actually, pwede na rin itong bronzer kasi may pagka-reddish ang tone niya. Then, using Comment, an old rose kind of blush na akala ko hindi mag-work kasi parang sobrang pale niya for me. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-add ako ng another layer to make it more visible. Next is highlighter in Subscribe na may pagka-champagne ng shade as you can see from the swatch. And then, I'll place it on the highest points of my face. Sa tip ng nose, and on the brow bone as well. So here, I'm blending the same contour shade on the sides of my nose. Here, I'm trying the soft matte lipstick in the shade ANNE CLUTZ Vlogs. And the next one is ANNE CLUTZ and I'm topping it off with the lip gloss. And here's the final look, guys! Thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next one. Bye!